All right, let's get started with Illustrator poster design. So it's the process that we're going to use is very similar to our previous process that we did for, business cards and not business cards, the logo mockups. But we're going to do it slightly differently. So let me pop over to Illustrator. All right, so for this, when we make a new document in Illustrator, we're going to want to go to Print, and let's go to inches, see if that changes. Oh, that's huge. That's too big. Let's go to inches. Let's make our height or width 11 and our height 14. So 11 by 14 is a pretty standard poster. You can go 12 by 18 if you want. I think I might do that. It might be a little thinner. So we could do document either 11 by 14 or 12 by 18. I'm using 12 by 18 because that's just what I want to do. And we want two artboards. Okay, because we're going to be making two posters. So let me hit create here, and then I'll give me my two posters. Let me pull up my examples. Ignore. That's fine. Close. So right now, right here, I have, oh boy, I'm in my classroom. So over here, I have some examples of what we are doing with these posters. Okay, so, oh, that's unfortunate. I won't load that. Oh yeah, well, great. So our job right now is to create two posters, one focused on graphic and one focused on type. Now, if you did these slides in the classroom, then you can kind of tell the difference between a typography poster and a graphics poster. Now, what you are creating a poster for, that's sort of up to you. You can choose a movie, concert, some kind of event that you want to do. There are tons of examples that I posted in that presentation that you can kind of pick and choose from. So that's up to you. We're making two, one graphics, one type. So let's go back to my example here. I have my type poster here. Okay. This is for an event that I went to last year a bunch. Oh. Now I can't zoom out anymore. That's unfortunate. This is my type poster. It's all text. Has all my information on it, like when the event is, how much it costs, yada yada yada. And then this is my graphics poster. It is not quite as graphics heavy as I would like it to be, but I have this Springhouse Brewery graphic that I vectored up, modeled off the actual building that the event takes place in. So some examples that we can look at of other posters. So we have some very graphics heavy things, and then some very text heavy things. We have, is it this one? Yeah, some very text heavy designs, which have some very crazy colors and stands out a lot. And some more graphics heavy things. So we have an event, we have a movie. You can choose different ones. You can do two different posters for the same thing. You can do posters for different things. That's up to you. Okay? But the important thing is we make two artboards, whatever size you're going to use, either 11 by 14 or 12 by 18. That's up to you. And you start mocking up these posters. Now, I would suggest that you really, really think about what typefaces and fonts you want to use for this, because that's very important, and that's gonna be a big part of how the look of your poster goes. I don't have my old Illustrator. Let's see if I have my old document full of just like, yeah, here we go. I want to activate these. Whatever. Close. So here's my old document for this. And you can tell some of these fonts are missing, which is unfortunate. But you can tell that I'm sitting here doing a lot of different just mock-ups of, do I want it to look like this? Do I want it to look like that? And all that good stuff. Like, I'm doing a lot of different typeface organizations. Like, do I like that? Do I like this? Do I like this with the stroke? Do I like one in yellow or black or both? Or maybe I want to put it on an arcade cabinet. So this is my graphics one, which that actually came out kind of nice. So really got to think about it. And even over here, I'm experimenting with the type and all that. So think about what kind of poster you want to create. Think about how that is going to be influenced by the typefaces that you're going to use, and really think about it. I'll probably post a video later today about how to install new typefaces, so you can kind of get a feel on that. At least for the Mac. I don't know how to do it on. I don't think you can do it on Chromebooks. So that's what we got. All right. So two artboards, the same size, one graphics. I'll go back to here. One graphics, one type poster, event, concert, movie, whatever you want to do for each of those. That's up to you. Okay. Think about what you're making a poster for. Think about what kind of vibe you're looking for, and pick your typeface from there. All right. There's plenty of stuff like this and this to kind of tell you how much the typeface influences the tone of the poster. So think about it. Do some experimentation, and if you're really stuck, you can go to Fonts in Use, which is a website that shows you what fonts actual companies are using to do their advertising, either in the past or currently. So there's tons of them here. And if you pick a typeface that you like say I really like Miller. Oh, no, I actually know Gill Sans. Say I really like Gill Sans. I don't really like Gill Sans, but if I really like Gill Sans, I can click on it, and it will tell me, it'll just show me a bunch of other pairings that companies have used to go with Gill Sans. So typefaces that look good together. Okay, so that's where we're at. That's what we got. Let's get our poster started.